Hey, what's up, XI Infinity holder? What's going on this time? XI Infinity condition is very critical now. In last 7 day, minus 2.9% loss, and you can see here my last 24 hour, you can see here minus 4.15% loss. So, what's the reason, my friends, and what will be going, my friend, in upcoming days? This is very important for every holder now. But I will clearly tell you, my friends, the very huge pump is coming soon now. Yes, this is very important for all of you to understand now. To the very huge jump is coming soon. But let me explain, my friends, to when and, my friends, how much. So this is very important for all holders to understand now. Please try to understand holders to in upcoming time. The very huge pump is coming soon. This is the CEO, my friend, personally tell this now. And after this work, my friend, this is clear to in upcoming time. Really, the very huge pump is coming soon, my friend. There is a three chances, my friends, the price will increase now. The first chance is when a holder are starting investing. The second chance is, my friends, when a company collaborate with a companies, my friends. So definitely it's clear, my friend, to this software completely go to the moon now. And Axie Infinity, everybody knows, to one of the fastest cryptocurrency. And the second, my friend, the market, when a market is comfortable, holders are investing and holding. So this is the third main question, main reason, my friend. So please try to understand, holder, the very huge pump is coming soon, because whether the last days of every month, every coin will get a very good profit. So therefore I hope to Axie Infinity will also pumps up and get a very good profit. Please, holders, you will need now to hold down. I hope, my friends, to Axie Infinity will give you a profit. So my brothers, my second advice for all of you, to please hold down when just and only wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, to Axie Infinity will make you a millionaire, will give you a very huge profit now. So hope you understand. Please like a video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.